fixing up some of the carnage from Iowa. That's not gonna last long. Have it, good as new. The big thing that I noticed was a small coolant leak. Hello Kyle, I'm calling to see if you guys stock a water pump seal for a 2001 KDX.
It's gonna be about 2 to 3 weeks.
Ships in 24 hours. This is on the 15th and the 16th, and the estimated delivery date is May 17th. That's not gonna work.
Don't.
A week?
It's on back order. If it goes out tomorrow, it'll be Friday.
That wouldn't work out if it got here Friday. So Robbie's got a KDX, and it's actually not his, it's Marco's. He got in touch with Marco, and Marco said that I could take some parts off of it to get my bike ready for the race. We are at Rabbit Valley. It's been a while. I need to get a quick rip in. Man, I feel a big difference in my riding compared to the last time I was out here. Thank you, Marco, for the case half. Without you, man, I would not be rolling. I really appreciate you. I'm not too far from St. George. Just a quick grip. Alright, I'm definitely gonna come back here. I don't know if I really want to be riding here alone though.
I think he just tried to make his bike as light as possible so he could carry it up the tire mountain.
Well, yeah, Devin told me if you can make up the tire mountain quick, then you'll win the race. Race ready for tomorrow.
To understand what's going on here, let's flash back to rev limiter.
Like Gunzo.
Like won't turn over? Bryce sees his engine, that sucks. What I love about the racing community is that if you're in a pinch, people will bend over backwards to help you out and make sure that you race. Paul let Bryce borrow his engine for the weekend. We were ready to put in our qualifying lap. The start of the hot lap was this hill climb, and I pictured a scenario where I didn't make it up this hill in front of everybody. And you know what? I almost didn't make it up. Mindset is everything. Always envision yourself conquering the obstacles. I went for a bit of the ride tainted with the thought of not being able to make it on that hill, and it messed with me. Yeah, I'm good. What? I don't know what else I could do other than laugh, because this was not my best performance. Owen. All right. If you've seen some of my other videos, you're probably wondering, why is it so nice and flowy? Well, here it is, the bottleneck. Now all that struggle didn't matter. If I got to these obstacles earlier, it wouldn't have been as muddy, and I probably would have been able to make it on my own. But with all the mud and all the people there, the smartest and easiest way to get across it is to team up with somebody. What up, dude?
How's it going?
Let's go, man.
Yeah, you're here, man.
I'm glad. Teaming up with Allie.
Nice.
And together, we pushed our bikes over the logs and made it through this tough mudder pit. Thank you. Thanks, man. It was muddy. It was real muddy. Hosed off with the fire hose.
A gentle spray now.
Now I'm just getting all my gear dry. Hope it's all dry for tomorrow because I don't have a second set of gear. In the next vid, you'll get to see my take at the race, some racing incidents, the mystery of Devin's missing GoPro, now you see it, now you don't, and some highlights from the main event. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a beat.